easy will be marked. Listen it now.
Good morning,
Karna,
ma'am.
Anushka, Aryaman, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just setting up my app.
Ayush, Dharya, turn on your camera, please. Vedi, come at your place, please.
Ma'am, I am ready with the activity today.
You are ready with the activity, postcard activity?
Postcard and cube both. But ma'am, I can't understand how to settle it up.
Means?
Like I had made that
Hmm.
base, but how to settle it?
You can see the any of the video of how to make a cube and you, because I have shown you in the class also, no, how to adjust them,
I'm
fix them.
practicing to make.
Okay. Done or not, Mohit?
No, it's working. I'm doing.
Okay. Rudra
Just
Ma'am,
give me
even
Jajadiya,
I
5
forgot to. I
minutes.
will do it.
Rudra Jajadiya 2 minutes late. Megdad late, 2 minutes late. Vivan Balchandani 2 minutes late.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और रुद्र की तबीयत ठीक नहीं था ना, तो वॉशरूम में था.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Take care. Any issue, any doubt? Can I start the class? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Kevna's mic is off. You want to speak something, ma'am? Karna, turn on your camera, please. Arna Agarwal. Dhyan Dalal, you have joined late.
Ma'am, I joined late because yesterday I was I slept late a little a bit. That's why.
You need to take care and see what is the class timings, what are the class timings, okay? See, I want everyone to sit properly with their textbooks. I think Kevna is Freya late, 3 minutes late. Freya, this is happening every day, Freya now. Every day this is happening, Freya. Kevna, any network issue, beta? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there was a network issue that I couldn't hear any one of you. That's why I left and came
Okay.
back.
Any problem now? Can I start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Jahan Agarwal, Twisha, turn on your camera, please. Now I
Ma'am,
don't want
page number 192.
196. Page number 196. Which pipe fills more? Page number 196. See, children, till now you have learned the volume, the space inside the object, 3D objects, which is cube and cuboid. But what about the different 3D objects? What about the cylindrical objects? So that will come in your higher grades. But right now, we can check the volume by filling the things inside them. Okay. I'm going to show you the video which last year one child has sent me. Then after that, I will come to your activity. Like Samriddhi told me that she is ready. So
Oh.
first I want to show you one video how the child has done an experiment, how to check which object is having more volume and which is having less. As the given that you can make a cylindrical pipe or triangular pipe or the square pipe. Pipe, you all know, pipe is the shape in the hollow which has
Yes.
space inside.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
So in that space inside, what is the volume of that cylindrical shape or the square shape pipe? Ayush, mute your mic and speak once I complete the question.
all right.
So here they are going to do an activity. The child will show you the perfect activity, how to check the volume, because two shape volume you have already learned, the cube and cuboid. Cube is a shape which have all the sides same. So अगर one side given है तो you can easily find the volume. If 2 meter, what will be the volume of that cube, students? Because एक ही, what will be the volume of that cube?
Ma'am, it will
Who
be
will tell me?
Khevna.
Khevna, I know you know it. I want the other students to give me Karnav. What
Okay, ma'am.
will be the volume of that cube if the volume side is 2 meter or the length is 2 meter? Because all the sides are same in the cube. कर्नम इसमें इतना सोचने की क्या बात है बेटा?
Ma'am, it will be 6.
क्यों प्लस कर दिया आपने? आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
Can I say?
यस
Ma'am, 8.
हाँ, यही चीज ध्यान रखनी है. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Khevna, what was your answer?
No, it was 8 only. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2.
Yes, अगर आप प्लस कर दोगे, I know ना sometimes I say 3, so students will write 9. It will be 9. It will be 27.
27.
Multiply you are doing, you are not adding. And centimeter or meter cubic, this is compulsory to write because it's a volume. Same, you have learned about the cuboid. And when the figure is a cuboid where all the length, breadth and height all are different. This was the question asked by Dhyan Dalal also in the last class. Ma'am, how do we know that it's a cube or a cuboid? Cube, only one side will be given and all the other sides also same. Cuboid, all are different. If length is 4, breadth will be 3, height may be 2, different. My thing is to tell you all length, breadth and height is different, then it's a cuboid. And when only one side is given, you can assume that this is a cube. Because in a cube, all sides are same. One child is moving a lot. Jahan Agarwal, sit at your one place.
Ma'am, may I tell something?
Wait, these two volume you have already learned. Now coming on the next volume, what about the cylindrical shape? That also 3D. What about the triangular pyramid, ma'am? That also 3D. How to find the volume of these figures? That you will learn in your higher grades. But for your grade, how to see the volume of a cylindrical pipe or the square pipe or the triangular pipe, that we will learn with an activity, not with the formula. Am I clear? With the formula, with the proper verification, it will come in your next grades, in your higher grades, in the grade 6. Now, yes, Ayush, please speak.
Ma'am, the pipe activity, the pipe thing where it was we had to join the activity class one day when Kanak ma'am took a class. In that class, we did the experiment with the pipe. We have to put the sand in it.
It's okay if you have done, but I also need to repeat it because that was your proxy class, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So, can I start the video? Mute yourself now. I think then you will better understand because you have already done. So, when I will show you this video, practically you will see, practically you will do, you will better understand. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is the activity done by my last class. Yes, Vedi, tell me. Last class student. Is the video visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to mute myself right now. Everyone, please mute yourself.
Ma'am. Okay.
Vedi, anything related with this activity?
Ma'am, I'm saying that the cuboid, you write it in the board, the cuboid answer is 24.
Yes, good. 24. If I will write the unit, centimeter, so it will be centimeter cube. Anna?
Yes.
Very good. So I'm going to play the video now.
Morning, ma'am. Today we are going to do which pipe fills more sand activity. So let's start. Here I have one small cylinder, one big cylinder, one triangular prism, one and one cuboid. So now let us see how much this small cylinder occupies. So this takes 7 spoons and it occupies this much sand. So ma'am, now we are doing this big cylinder. Ma'am, it takes 12 spoons and it occupies this much. Ma'am, so I am doing this cuboid, ma'am. Eleven. It takes 11 teaspoons. It takes 11 spoons and it occupies this much. So ma'am, now we are going to do this triangular prism. It takes 6 spoons and it occupies this much. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Before speaking anything about this, I want to tell you one thing, that first the child was taking the spoon, small spoon. Then he was taking,
he was using half.
then he was using the big spoon. So that you don't have to do. You have to use the same measuring scale. I suggest you to either take the medicine, small cups are coming with the milliliter marks, 5 milliliter, 10 milliliter, right? In that you will not get confused. You will exactly measure the 10 milliliter sand or the sugar or the salt, because we just want to check the volume of that space which we have, the object which we have taken, whether cylindrical pipe or the square pipe. So I suggest you take the appropriate measurement, then only the conclusion will come properly. Right, everyone?
Ma'am, I
So,
have a doubt.
yes, please ask Kariman.
Ma'am, the doubt is like he told that 12 spoon is occupied. So how do we know per one spoon how much centimeter it's
That is why I told you, no, he has not taken the proper accurate measurement of that. I just wanted to show you how he has done the activity. But what I suggest you, you take the proper measurement cups, then only you will get the accurate result.
Okay.
डोंट
Ma'am,
टेक स्पून स्पून में आप कंफ्यूज भी हो सकते हो. एज आई टोल्ड यू, मेडिसिन के स्मॉल कप्स आते हैं जिसमें ममा गिव यू 5 ml 10 ml मेडिसिन ना, that you take as an accurate measurement for putting the, then you will actually give me the answer. Okay, this milliliter of this is occupying, or this much sand it is occupying.
So ma'am, we can do like if I know that this spoon occupied like this half spoon occupied this much centimeter. So I can
सेंटीमीटर तो होगी नहीं सैंड तो.
sorry
हाँ.
meter.
मीटर भी नहीं होगी
This
सैंड.
milliliter.
ओके, kilo.
So
Yes,
means I
10.
can do like with that spoon if I know like this half
अगर
spoon.
आपको आपके पास मेजरिंग स्पून है प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट का, देन यू कैन टेक प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट का स्पून. अदरवाइज आई सजेस्ट यू टू टेक द मेडिसिन कप, स्मॉल जो होते हैं
Okay, ma'am.
उसमें प्रॉपरली होगा. यस देयर है.
Ma'am, the sand is measured in milliliter or milligram? Like,
See, it's milligram, gram, and the this
kilogram.
kilogram. It will measure in the this unit, not in liters. It's a thick object, no? जब आप
Yes,
शुगर भी तो किलोग्राम ग्राम में ही लाते हो ना. हाँ.
yes, ma'am. So, if how it might be little bit difference in
So
kilogram and
आप ऐसा
liter.
कप ले लो. So better you take the cup which is having of the kilogram gram unit.
Okay, ma'am.
Most of the people have at their homes. और अगर आप स्पून से मेजर कर रहे हो तो प्रॉपर स्पून में सेम क्वांटिटी का फिल करो. The child was doing first with the back side which is having less space, and then he was doing with the front side, right? So that is front is more having space, so to ज़्यादा ही fill होगा. So take the proper measurement spoon, right?
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Sometimes now mama also when she make cakes and all and she keeps the cups with her, then with the measurement she use the proper. Yes, wait a minute. Then with the accurate measurement she takes the sugar, she take the cocoa powder, and then only she will able to make the proper cake. Yes or no? Yes, Kevna.
Yes, sir. I was saying that ma'am, I'm not in Surat right now, so I do not have like the face-to-face papers and like you have to make the stuff. So can I just see and learn?
Yes, no problem.
Renu ma'am, but
Yes.
that child was taking the sand. There was sand below of the object which he had used before, so that's why it was showing that it's more. But it might be that it was a bit less because he was mixing that sand with the old.
No, he was not mixing with the old one. He is removing the first and then he is taking again the separate one for the another one. है ना? आपको वो तो निकालना ही है, सेपरेट ही करना है. और यू कैन सी और यू कैन चेक इन द सेपरेट बाउल्स आल्सो. Why you keep on the one plate only? Why you can take the separate? Yes. Is this a measuring cup? Yes, this is a measuring cup she is taking. So Samriddhi, are you ready to do this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Your all pipes are ready?
Ma'am, I also all bites are ready.
Who? Nishika? Sand and all you bought?
Yeah.
Sugar or the sand, anything? Yes, please start, Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Let me present the screen so that,
Ma'am, after her, can I?
yeah.
Ma'am, you can pin me.
Yes. Wait a minute, Samriddhi. Yes, Samriddhi, please start.
Yeah, ma'am. First, I'm taking triangular prism and I'm filling the rice under it.
And don't put it outside also. So everything should go properly inside. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Samriddhi. Are you taking properly filled rice? जितना first step में लिया था same quantity second step में ले रहे हो?
Yes.
Because it is not visible to us. कि proper filled है spoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and same quantity you will take in all the steps, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you please start counting also. See, students, you can see how nicely she had made the pipes with the sellotape and all neat work. Samriddhi, some are going out, some are here and there. That you need to take care. वो बाहर नहीं जाने चाहिए, तो exact accurate measurement नहीं आएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Push them down, press it down. So the main basic thing of this is with the activity, you can just only identify that which is occupying more space. Okay. Yes. So you can see. So how many spoons you have put inside this? Samriddhi, will you answer us?
10.
10. And is the measuring cup having some scales? कुछ है pointers
Yes,
उसके
ma'am.
ऊपर? So what is the quantity now?
A minute, ma'am. I'm saying.
You can see with the measuring scale outside. Maybe some scale is there.
Ma'am, it's 100.
100 on the 100 lining. It is coming, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Same way you can do with the different ones and see, check the volume. Can I move to the next child?
Yes, ma'am. Then I'll answer it.
Yeah, then you can start doing at your home and tell me which is occupying more, whether the cylindrical, triangular, rectangular, which is occupying more. Yes, Nishika.
Yes, ma'am. I have 10 meters,
10 milligrams.
10 milligrams.
Hmm. Sugar or what you are putting inside it?
Salt.
Okay. Keep counting also, Nishika.
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you filling it with the same measurement?
Yeah, ma'am.
Slowly, Nishika, it's falling out.
Yes, Anna, any doubt?
No, ma'am. I'm raising my hand because I am ready with the materials. Ma'am, it's 20
20?
spoon. 20 milligrams. Material.
10.
20 into 10 means
Ah.
200 milligrams.
200 milligrams. Okay. But still, I can see there is a space to fill it.
So I should fill it.
Yeah, you should fill it full. Then only you can exactly get the volume of this, no? Till the top.
It's not milligram, it's ml, milliliters. Take proper quantity.
And okay, if you are not giving the answer in the milligram or liters, but when you take this up, right, the quantity which you will see,
Yeah.
and when you fill it with the cylindrical pipe, and the quantity which you will see, the way the child was showing, no, this, see this much sand, see this much sand is with this pipe. With the looking also, you with the observation also, you can clear it out how much this is occupied.
Like this.
See this much salt it has taken. Now in the another bowl, when you do with the cylindrical pipe,
Ma'am,
and
can
then,
I show?
wait a minute, Anushka. And when you see the salt taken by the cylindrical pipe, the quantity, and when you measure the quantity of both the pipes, you can easily observe which is having more volume.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So complete this with all the pipes and do let us know which is having more volume. Yes, next child. Yes, Anushka. Anushka, are you there with the another device?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm showing. I'm just adjusting the
You
laptop.
have done the full?
What, ma'am?
You have done with all the pipes?
No, ma'am. I want to show you with the cylindrical pipe.
Okay.
I'm doing it with the long one.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm showing.
So 2 students have already shown us with the triangular.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, yes. Now we will see. We will check the volume of the cylindrical. So now we will check which is having the quantity which is taken with the triangular is having more or with the cylindrical is having more. Yes.
Ma'am, this is the long pipe and this is taking rice to fill it.
Yeah. And when you are checking and doing with this activity, your paper jo length hai, the way you have taken the length of the paper should be same. You cannot take, wait a minute, Anushka. You cannot take the papers of different size. Then if you take the cylindrical, अगर आपने बड़ा बना दिया और triangular prism छोटा बना दिया, it will give you different volume. And if you are checking the volume with the sugar, it is compulsory to check the volume of all the figures with the all the objects with the sugar only. Not one with sugar, one with sand and one with rice. Because rice you can check वो thick होते हैं, right?
Ma'am, I'm
Clear
filling it.
everyone? Yes. She is checking with the rice. So she can compare with Samriddhi, not with Nishika, right? We can compare with Samriddhi because Samriddhi also has taken rice. She has also taken. We cannot compare with Nishika because she has taken salt. And salt is like soft, which will take more volume. वो ज़्यादा पड़ेगा. Sugar is like thick, वो कम आते हैं. Am I clear? Any doubt to any child in this?
No, ma'am.
When you go to the market also, when you buy sugar and when you buy no salt and rice, so rice 1 किलो में आपको कम दिखेंगे and the sugar you will see more होगा compared to the sugar when you compare sugar and rice. When you go to the market and buy 1 kg sugar, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Nishika,
I found out in this it took 250
Ma'am,
ml and in this 150 ml.
okay. So
Ma'am?
which is more? Some
The triangular prism.
triangular. Till now, you have to compare with 2 only. The triangular is having more. Yes,
Ma'am?
yes, Nishika. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, it took 17 spoons to fill the broad one.
We cannot measure with the spoons right now, but we can see the quantity has been taken by see this much quantity of rice has been taken in the cylindrical pipe. So, Samriddhi, can you see the cylindrical is taking more or but I am not sure whether your Samriddhi and your pipes are with the same measurement or not.
Ma'am, the measurement given in the
The
textbook,
textbook you have
used
done with that only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
can
that-
I show now?
I'm done.
Can I move to the next? And you all, what you do is have to make your own videos and send it to me the way the child has sent me in
So,
my last
ma'am,
classes.
you are going to make a folder for that.
Yeah, I'm going to make a folder. Do your activities, send me the videos, okay? Arna, you want to show me one?
Yes, ma'am. I'm showing with this.
Do you have a square one?
No, ma'am. I just got this. I have the square one. I have the square one.
Anushka, you have done one, no? Can I move to the next
Ma'am,
one?
I'm
Yes,
gonna do
Arna.
it with salt.
Okay.
So I'm taking this measuring cup, which
Mm-hmm.
is 1/4 cup.
Okay. Same measurement pipe you have made, the measurement which is given in the textbook?
No, ma'am.
No. then we will not able to compare with the other students because they have made with the actually which is the measurement given. और आपके सारे pipes same measurement के होने चाहिए, not one is big and one is small. Then you will not able to compare. This is the basic concept which I need to explain in this. See students, next class we are going to, as I told you in the beginning also, there are two concepts in this chapter, how big and how heavy. How big is already done by checking the volume. Now we are going to do how heavy. Heavy with kilogram, gram we are going to learn. So please read this pages from 197 to 200. We'll discuss more how to convert the kilogram into grams. 1 kilogram equals to how many grams? That is all depend on the kilogram gram. So read them and come in the class. Okay. Any doubt?
Ma'am, Ayush,
Yes, Ayush.
1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, na?
Yes.
Because the deca will come, it will be 10 gram. It will be 10 gram for 1 decagram, and it will be 100 gram for 1 hectogram.
Hectogram.
So it will be 1,000 gram for 1
1,000.
hectogram.
Yes. 1 kilogram equals to 1,000 grams.
Renu, now are you going to make a separate folder to put that video?
Yes, yes. I will write as a textbook exercises. I will put and then you can put.
The cylinder and it is occupying just a second. This much of salt.
Let me check. See, so much salt it has taken. Maybe your cylinder is too big. Yes. So what you have to do now? अगर आपने cylinder इस measure का बनाया तो your now other pipes also to be of same measurement.
Ma'am, this box was filled till top and it came to the end. This.
Okay. Done. Any doubt to any child how to do and how to check the volume of the 3D different objects?
No,
ये
ma'am.
एक activity से किया. Next, when you go in the higher, when you go in the higher grades, grade 6 and above, then you will learn with the proper formulas also how to find the volume of a cylinder. That you will learn in the higher grades. So this I want to give you the brief about this trek to Gangotri. They are going for the trip to Gangotri and taking these things. The children, you know, a basic concept I wanted to tell you. When your mama do chips wafers at home, right? जब वो गीले होते हैं, मम्मा नहीं कहते हैं मैंने 10 किलो चिप्स बनाए. मम्मा मेक और नॉट इन दिस सीजन एट होम. मैंने 10 किलो बनाए लेकिन वो सूख के तो 1 kg हो गए.
Ma'am, because the weight of the banana or any which
बनाना
any
चिप्स और पोटैटो चिप्स जब मम्मा बनाती हैं,
any
चिल्ली को
vegetable
सुखाती
it
हैं.
weighs more. It weighs more. But when we
Dry
cut in small pieces, it dry up. We wet it. We boil it. Not boil.
बॉयल जब वो ड्राई होते हैं ना बेटा, जब वो सूखते हैं तो दे मॉइस्चर विल गो, तो वो जब
and then they
सूख के वो बच जाते हैं.
And then they fry on the in oil.
हाँ. But why? What is the reason that why the weight is coming down? Yes, Ayush.
Weight decreases because the water is soaked.
या वाटर इज सोक. जो वो धूप में हम सुखाने के बाद उसके अंदर जो मॉइस्चर होता है, जो वाटर लेवल होता है, वो सब सूख जाता है. एंड देन उनकी जो एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी है वो बच जाती है. some people dry onions also because अभी ओनियन जब रेनी सीजन में बहुत कॉस्टली हो जाता है, राइट? तो सुखा के रखते हैं गर्मियों के सीजन में, उसको ओनियन सुखाते हैं, चिप्स बनाते हैं, तो वो ड्राई होके छोटा सा. पर जब अब लोग ये ट्रिप पे जा रहे थे तो व्हाट दे वर डूइंग, नाउ दे आर टेकिंग द ड्राई थिंग्स, ड्राई टमाटो, ड्राई ओनियन. तो कितना वेट लेके जाएंगे? So that is about the calculations all only. Read these pages. It's very interesting about money also. It is money and weight. So
Ma'am,
please, yes.
I have done track to gangotri in X exercise. Now I have tried that exercise yesterday.
Very good, very good. I will ask questions related to it in the next class. Come prepare, students, on Monday. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, students.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
happy